Is wild salmon healthier? Facts explored. When it comes to seafood, salmon is often hailed as a superfood. But is wild salmon truly healthier than farmed? Let's unpack the nutritional benefits and some common myths surrounding wild salmon. Before we dive into today's exciting video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest explorations and interesting facts. Nutritional benefits of wild salmon. First, let's dive into the nutritional profile of wild salmon. This incredible fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fats that our body can't produce. Omega-3s are crucial for heart health, cognitive function, and reducing inflammation. A typical 3.5-ounce serving of wild salmon provides around 2,260 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. In contrast, farmed salmon has higher levels of omega-3s due to its diet, but it also contains more saturated fats. This makes wild salmon a leaner option. Vitamins and minerals. Wild salmon is also rich in vitamins and minerals. It contains a significant amount of vitamin D, which helps regulate calcium and phosphorus in our bodies. Additionally, it's packed with B vitamins, particularly B12, which is vital for nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells. It's not just vitamins. Wild salmon also provides important minerals like selenium, which supports immune function, and potassium, which helps with muscle function and maintaining proper fluid balance. Taste and quality. Many people argue that wild salmon tastes better than its farmed counterpart. The diet of wild salmon consists of smaller fish and marine organisms, giving it a distinct flavor and firmer texture. Farmed salmon, on the other hand, is fed a controlled diet that can affect its taste and texture. On the quality front, wild salmon tends to have fewer contaminants like polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs, and other harmful substances compared to farmed salmon, although some farmed varieties have been improved in this regard due to stricter regulations. Myths surrounding wild salmon. Myth 1. All salmon is created equal. Many people think that all salmon is the same. That's not true. While wild salmon is typically healthier, it's essential to know the difference between various species. Species like sockeye and coho are known for their high omega-3 content. In contrast, Atlantic salmon, which is predominantly farmed, can have different nutrient levels. Myth 2. Wild salmon is always bad for the environment. Some believe that eating wild salmon is harmful to fish populations and ecosystems. While overfishing and habitat loss can be issues, sustainable fishing practices are on the rise. Look for certifications like the Marine Stewardship Council (MSC) labeled to ensure your salmon is sourced responsibly. Myth 3. Wild salmon is too expensive. While it's true that wild salmon can be pricier than farmed, it's often a matter of quality versus quantity. Many consumers find that the health benefits and superior taste of wild salmon make it a worthwhile investment. Additionally, buying in bulk or during peak season can help you save. Conclusion: make an informed choice. In summary, wild salmon is generally considered healthier than farmed, boasting higher omega-3 levels, fewer contaminants, and a richer nutrient profile. However, it's crucial to be aware of the different species and sources. Understanding the myths can help you make informed decisions when purchasing seafood. Whether you opt for wild or farmed salmon, both can form part of a healthy diet. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation, alongside a variety of other nutritious foods. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.